Hello, this is Wesley Wood with Wood Financial Group giving your June monthly market update. Well, we had a big week last week on the stock market and not in a good way. Market dropped about 2.2% for the month of June, which did erase most of the gains that we saw for the year. The Dow Jones as of now is down just a little bit for the year. The S&P is up just a small amount. Really what happened last week, just to give you some insight on that if you've not already heard, but the Greece banks did have to close their doors until July 6th. Basically, they were unable to pay back the money that was loaned to them through the European economy, so it created a lot of concerns, and so it translated into a dip in our market last week. Now, what does that really mean? If you look at it on a grand scope, the Greece market is, or the Greece country as far as the overall world economy, is just a fraction. It wouldn't be fair to compare it to like Lehman Brothers going bankrupt here in the U.S. in 2008, which was one of the events that caused the market to drop a substantial amount. So putting that in perspective, the markets did not fall off completely and did not start a huge decline, but it does create a heightened awareness, especially when it comes to your investments in your portfolio, looking at in the future to see what's going to happen for the rest of the year and the rest of the month of July coming up. Some other issues, the GDP is still running at a rate of about 2.5% or so. So the U.S. economy is still heading in the right direction. Interest rates, probably because of this correction that we saw last week, and we're seeing quite a bit of volatility in the markets. Now folks are predicting that we're not going to see interest rates go up until the beginning of 2016, which sounds about right. So we want to keep our eyes on that, because obviously if interest rates go up, there is a concern that the market could go down as well. But overall, the markets are flat for the year. We're keeping our eyes on what's happening in the European economies and what's going to happen with Greece, and especially when it translates to our clients' investments. Some other news and notes, job reports are coming back and they are still trending in a direction which we like. Unemployment numbers are going down. And China, there are some concerns there. They did lower their interest rates once again. So China's economy is not doing quite as well as the U.S. if you were to compare those two. But as far as that goes, we're keeping our eyes on the markets, making sure that if we do see some major corrections, that we want to be proactive, and I would advise you to do the same thing. But I hope you enjoyed this June monthly market update. If you want to find us on Facebook, look us up, like us on Facebook. Also, check us out. Our website is woodfinancialgroup.net if have not already visited, or call us at 615-826-5749 to reach out to Danny or I. We'd love to bounce ideas off of you or anything else. But take care and have a good month.